Morning, guys. Me here, Gandy. Yes, I'm coming. Ooh, chicken close by. Yes, as you guys can hear, Eclipse is having a number because she should have been fed right now. And I'm running late this morning again. Settle down. So I'm going to collect Cindy from her end. Actually, I should just bring Eclipse and put Eclipse in here. Yeah. Come, Lulu. And take Lulu out. Yes, that's Lulu's daughter. Those are Janzel and Janzel, Lulu's actual daughters, who we are not for that milk, so that we can milk Lulu for Eclipse. Y'all like this then. So Lulu's gonna attempt to run. So we have to tie her and then let out Eclipse. As we put Eclipse to sleep in a separate pan so that the others don't trample her. I mean, like, look at her. And off she goes. She knows it's breakfast time. Settle down, take it easy. She knows it's breakfast time. Look at that, look. She knows it's breakfast time and she is just going and going. So we try to allow her to milk at least twice a day. 3 times if we're lucky. But at least twice a day we allow her to milk. Cindy doesn't like it very much. Next side, Eclipse. Sorry, Lulu. But yeah, so we try to let her milk twice a day. Oh look, the sheep kids. Can you guys see them? Trying to zoom in. It's so big now. Jade, get down. Look, Jade. Leave her bell. TT and Jax. And look, all the sheep. So yeah, once Missy here is done nursing, which might take a while, but once she's finished nursing, it is off to the pasture for the others. She may or may not stay with them. Yesterday she came back home. I have to check on 2 rabbits to see if they had young ones. Should have had, or probably will have young ones sometime this week. So I have to double check on them today. Have to see how I can catch some of these chickens, these yard fowls, and swap them out. Get rid of some new males, introduce new males to the flock and stuff. That's a process that's going to take some time. See, So this is the point in time where Cindy gets agitated. And she doesn't like it. Take your time. Take your time, Eclipse. Try the next nipple. There you go. All right, that's it. Cindy's giving up on you, and your guts is full. Look at you. You get some more, a little bit more before you go down the hill. But for now, just hang around the yard. Right, so Cindy and her are over that. It's time to check on rabbits. Okay, so the way she jumped in there, I know, no babies. Same with this one, no babies. So yeah, and that's it for the morning right now. It's gonna be a quiet morning until they go down in the pasture. So, till tomorrow.